Okay, so I was just trying to ignore all of this and just if I didn't think about it, the feeling would go away, but it's not working. I try to suppress everything that I feel, to be honest. And yeah, if I sound a little bit nasally, it's just because, you know, my allergies, like always. If you hear someone in the background mowing, my neighbor's doing lawn work. But this is just like a sit down video. I'm gonna try not to edit this video at all, but if I rub my nose, I'm just giving you all of me right now. Lately I've been feeling like I can't get life balanced out. I feel like really overwhelmed. I feel tired. I want to sleep all the time. I don't have I don't have any energy to do anything. And I'll force myself to do things, and I always regret in the end. I've been sleeping so hard, and no, I'm not pregnant, you guys. No. It's just I am diagnosed with depression and anxiety. I don't want my computer going into my microphone. But I am diagnosed with depression and anxiety. I feel like it's coming, I'm having an episode because of the fact that I feel so overwhelmed. I never felt like this. I never felt like I don't have control of things, and it's really bothering me. I know you're just supposed to let God control your life and put everything in his hands, but I freak out when I don't have control of everything. I don't have any balance of anything. And that's why I haven't been uploading or doing anything, because I just feel like I just can't sit in front of the camera and be happy Micaylah at the moment. I'll film a tutorial but when I get ready. But I haven't been doing voiceovers because I don't want to sound like, a snob when I'm doing the voiceovers. So the last two videos, no voiceovers because of the fact that I'm just too tired. I don't want to come off rude. I don't know. I've been hanging out with my best friend a lot, and she's honestly been helping me. She's been my rock through this all. I told her how I felt, but it's not really something anybody can understand. You see how nervous I am, even making this video. It's not anything anybody else can understand unless they're going through it. I just feel like work, my relationship, I know I haven't been spending a lot of time with him, but it's because I'm just so tired. And I feel oh, my energy is gonna rub off on him, and we're gonna make things worse. And then I don't know. I've been trying to tell him about it, but it's I don't know. I'm just wanting to really, really do more in my life, and I'm just too tired to. So I've been having spine issues again, and it's kind of rubbing me the wrong way, because that was the scariest moment in my life. Doing those steroid injections, oh my gosh, if I do it again, I'm gonna get it filmed. I'm gonna try to film it if I have to do it again, because I want you guys to see what I have to go through. And a lot of people ask me and they don't understand, so I really want to talk about it, film the injections, film what I have to take. I want to do that. And on a positive note, I'm going to Boston with my best friend next month, and I'm gonna vlog the whole entire thing. That's what I'm really excited for. Hopefully I'll get a little pick me up whenever I do it. I don't know. But it's just but all of this not being able to balance anything has really made me want a different lifestyle. My allergies are killing me. But I bought a planner. I've been planning. I've been trying to look at everything and do things. I have scheduled my spine appointment. I've been having really bad vision, and my eyes have been really sensitive too. That's another reason why I haven't been filming videos, and being really inconsistent. I know you guys be damn, she's inconsistent as hell. But it's not really, on purpose. It's just because I don't want to overdo myself, and I'm kind of struggling. And I really hope this video can help someone else that's struggling with finding a balance in between all this stuff like work, relationship, friendships, family, makeup, your health. Like, it is so hard to keep balance. And I'm going to put this up on my YouTube and my Instagram TV, IGTV, because I know a lot of people don't come to my YouTube channel, which it kind of bothers me a little bit, but it's like, okay, like, it's understandable. I don't go to some people's YouTube channels because I like their Instagram and vice versa, but I just really want to have more time for makeup, have more time with my relationship and family, do more, go out more, which I have been doing a lot of. I need to get my energy back up so I can go to the gym. I'm going to try to go to the gym after I film a makeup tutorial right now. I'm just like really sad and disappointed in myself because of the fact that I'm like struggling. But I understand that I can't, you know, be mad at myself because I'm struggling, because God gives his strongest warriors obstacles to overcome because he knows that they can overcome them. And this one Bible verse always gets me through it. I'm going to get it tattooed on my spine because of my spine issue. Me and my best friend are going to get like spine tattoos together of Bible verses. It's for when I'm weak, then I'm strong. And I really, really, like, I have that everywhere, like plastered everywhere. Like, for when I am weak, then I'm strong. Like, I have really low lows, but whenever I get over those low lows, I'm going to be on top. And that's what I just, like, I need to figure out. It really feels good to film this, but I'm very nervous to put this video up. Like, it's going to be uncut, unedited, so I don't know. But, oh, my drawers are open back here. But, yeah, I don't know. If you have any tips or have anything to say, please say them in the comments. Like, I'm really struggling with this. And if you're watching me on IGTV, make sure you follow me. If you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And I'm going to try to film a YouTube video, makeup tutorial. So, yeah, I just don't want to feel blank. I just feel blank. Like, that's what I feel like. And it sucks because that's not me. I'm so silly, guys. Like, I am like one of the silliest people ever. My nose itches. I'm like, you can never take me seriously. And then when I say serious stuff, people think I'm playing, but I'd be like, no. If you heard a quack, that's my boyfriend's ringtone because his nickname is Duck. But, I don't know. I'm just really discouraged. I don't know. I feel like I should be in a better place because I have everything that I could possibly want, but it's still hard at the same time because I want so much more. I know I can have so much more, you know? I hate this. I know I need to pray more. I need to go to the gym more. I need to let off this frustration and this just negative energy out of me. I've been trying to rest more. I've been sleeping a lot more, which honestly on my part is not a good thing because that means like I'm giving into depression and stuff again. I've been going, I've scheduled the doctor's appointments. I'm trying to go out and about, not be a homebody because that'll make me depressed too. I've been planning so I can see everything. Like, I'm just trying everything possible. I am on antidepressants. I have been taking them. I like slacked for a really long time. Like, for like the whole month of May and June, like, I was so off with my medicine because I was sick. But I just now started, and that might be what it is because I know once you start that medicine, you have like crying spells. You're like really low. And I'm hoping that's what it is, but I don't think it is because I felt different. Like, I was so happy whenever I was on those meds, but like I wasn't like feeling like this at all. I don't know. I just wanted to be honest with you guys and open and just let you know what I'm going through, and like I need to vent. Um, so yeah, I'm open to your honest opinions, and hopefully I'll get over this soon. It's just like irritating, to be honest, because this is not me at all. But yeah, I'm gonna go film a video because I really, really want to at the moment. Like, I have so much stuff I can use. So I will see you in my next video.